Thank you.
कर दे मेरे हवाले तेरे दर्द सारे, सीने से लगा लूं उनको मैं मां। तुझ पे आँच ना आए, तू हरदम मुस्काए, कर दूंगा मैं कुर्बान खुद को ऐ मां। तेरे आंसू मैं चुरा लूं, पलकों पे मैं सजा लूं, झुकने न देंगे सर कभी तेरा। जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया, जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया, जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया, जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया। जिस मिट्टी पे जन्मा उस मिट्टी पे मरना, हमने तो है सीखा ऐ मेरी माँ। तेरी सारी दरारें हाथों से भर देंगे, कुछ भी होने न देंगे तुझको ऐ माँ। तेरे गम हम संभाले, तुझे सीने से लगा ले, झुकने न देंगे सर कभी तेरा। जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया, जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया, जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया, जीता रहे मेरा इंडिया।
Thank you, Neeta. Thank you, Isha and Akash. Let us give a standing ovation to each and every member of Team Reliance for their exemplary commitment, devotion, and resolve, for going beyond the call of duty in serving the society in its hour of greatest need. I indeed feel immense pride in leading such a team that combines excellence with empathy. My dear shareholders, I now turn to the business and financial performance of your company for the year 2020-2021. I am happy to report that even in a challenging environment, your company's performance continued to be outstanding. Our consolidated revenue was nearly 5,40,000 crores, with a sharp increase from our consumer business. Our consolidated EBITDA was nearly 98,000 crores, and almost 50% of the EBITDA was contributed by consumer businesses. One of these consumer businesses, retail, is only about a decade old. The other business, Jio, is also only 5 years old. Our net profit for the year was 53,739 crores, higher by 34.8% compared to the previous year. Despite the pandemic, we increased our dividends this year. Dear friends, as India's largest business enterprise, Reliance's contribution to the Indian economy continues to remain unmatched. At 1,45,143 crores, we continue to be India's largest exporter, accounting for 6.8% of India's total merchandise exports to over 107 countries. Even in this challenging environment, Reliance added nearly 75,000 new jobs in the past year. We are committed to creating and enabling large-scale employment opportunities, which is one of India's most urgent national tasks. We continue to be India's highest payer of customs and excise duty in the private sector, with payments of 21,044 crores. We are amongst the highest payers of GST and VAT at 85,306 crores. We are also amongst the highest payers of income tax in the private sector, paying 3,213 crores. For the financial year 2021, Reliance successfully carried out the largest ever capital raise by any company globally in a year, notwithstanding the COVID challenges. The capital raises exceeded 3,24,432 crores, that is $44.4 billion through equity in Jio platforms and retail, rights issue, and asset monetization. The investors included some of the best and marquee names across the world, across sovereign wealth funds and private equity. This capital raise is a strong vote of confidence by the global investors in India's growth potential. It reflects their faith in the ability of your company's management to execute ambitious projects and long-term value creation plans. We also rewarded the shareholders with the largest and the most successful rights issue ever by an Indian company. I'm really delighted that our retail shareholders have made 4x returns in just 1 year on their rights issues. All of these helped Reliance achieve a net debt-free balance sheet much ahead of March 2021, a promise I had made to you 2 years ago. Dear friends, let me now talk about the performance of the